When someone suffers a spinal cord injury, it is a devastating injury. Their lives have been irreversibly turned upside down, permanently. And so I've got a lot of conflicting emotions. They're sad, they're angry, deservedly so. They're worried. They've got just a gigantic amount of concerns and emotions that they're going through. And they're, again, going to be needing somebody to talk to that they feel like they can trust, because there's so much going on with regard to their lives and how it's affecting them. I think they'll need to be reassured that everything about their injury is going to be investigated to the nth degree. Everything is going to be presented to the jury and or to the other side for the prospect of settling the case or going to a jury about the case. I think that's comforting for them to know that there will be no stone left unturned, legally. And you don't have to do it, we'll do it for you. The biggest mistake made by people who have sustained a spinal cord injury is probably to not recognize all the future ramifications that could happen, that do happen with spinal cord injuries, because they're only thinking about the here and now. The whole picture needs to be dealt with. It can't be dealt with right away, and not to give it away, obviously, because it's a massive injury that has massive value. Someone who has suffered a spinal cord injury and needs to find an attorney, what should they look for in the attorney? Well, as with all other types of claims, is the person who has the experience dealing with it. I think in spinal cord injury, it's particularly important to have people who have the experience of dealing with it, because it's so easy to miss so many things about proving that person's spinal injury claim. All the future ramifications that are going to have in their life. It is more important than ever to find a lawyer who has had a track record of presenting such cases to a jury and the experience of dealing with such injuries. There's no reason to not hire a lawyer on the basis I don't think I can afford it. You can't afford not to. The bottom line is most cases are handled on a contingency fee basis, so the client's not going to go out of pocket very much. And if the lawyer's invested in the claim, they'll front the cost like our firm would front the cost for pursuing the spinal cord injury claim.